So on the WIX editor, you want to go to Pages and Menu by clicking right here on Pages and Menu at the left side of your screen. And then you want to go to Side Menu and then add Side Menu. For example, if I want this blog page to be the subpage of this privacy policy page, so the blog will be a part of privacy policy, then I have to reorder the privacy policy page and make it to be at the top of the blog page. But it was already there. And then I can just click on the blog page and then click on subpage. And there you go. Right now, my blog page is a part of privacy policy page and it was gone from the main navigation menu. And then to undo it, you can just click on three dots and click on main page. But if you want to make a brand new page as the subpage, you can first click on add page at the top of your screen. And then you will make a new page according as you need. So for example, I'm going to choose on contact page, because I'm gonna make the contact us page. Here you can just choose any template of the contact page that Wix has provided for you, but I'm gonna choose on this one and click on add page. And you can also make a blank page right here if you want to make everything from scratch. But I'm gonna click on this template, just click on add page, then I will edit it later. And there you go, I have my contact page. And again, to make it a sub-page, you want to make it at the bottom of the main page. So if I'm going to make the contact us to be the subpage of blog page, I'm going to place it here and then click on sub-page. And you can do it to any of your page. Just click on three dots and hit on sub-page. And there you go. And to reorder the sub-page, you can just click and hold of the specific page and then move it either to the top or to the bottom. And there you go. If you still have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to add and reorder subpages on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.